What's up, all my affiliates? This is CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. I'm out here in beautiful Sunshine State, Florida. And I just want to tell y'all, thank y'all for all the support again. If you haven't joined and subscribed, be sure to join and subscribe. Watch my videos. I got great content. But for those who are already a part of my channel and I'm already subscribed, I want to tell y'all, if y'all haven't joined the Facebook group, go ahead and join my Facebook group. And after you join, send me a message. Everybody that joins my Facebook group and sends me a message stating they want to set up a one-on-one session with me for free. We can link up, talk dialogue a little bit, maybe give you a little bit of insight on something, show you how to find good offers and where to promote them. Whatever, just get to know each other, touch base, and kind of build a relationship. So y'all go ahead and do that. Be sure to like my videos, y'all. Leave the comments. Leave me content and information about what you need so I can help you. Point blank and simple. Go ahead, join the Facebook group. Leave me a message. Set up the time to have your one-on-one with me. We'll talk. We'll see what direction you are, what level you're on, and what I can do to help you. This is a free one-on-one session with me, guys. Free, no charge. So go ahead, join that group. Holla.